drafting legal documents often feels like navigating a complex maze. The sheer thought of sifting through legal jargon, ensuring every crucial clause is included, and meticulously formatting the final output can be incredibly daunting and time-consuming for anyone, regardless of their background. Introducing PactForge, our Kaggle capstone project, designed to directly address these pain points. We've developed an intelligent legal document generation system powered by a sophisticated retrieval-augmented generation model. Our aim is to streamline and simplify the entire process of creating formatted legal agreements. Let's delve a bit deeper into the core challenges that PactForge is engineered to overcome. The traditional route of starting a legal document from a blank slate demands not only significant time investment but also a substantial level of legal knowledge that many individuals and businesses may not possess readily. While adapting generic templates might seem like a convenient shortcut, these often fail to perfectly align with specific requirements. This necessitates careful and potentially error-prone modifications. Furthermore, the reliance on consulting lawyers for every single document, while ensuring accuracy, can lead to considerable expenses and may not always be feasible for time-sensitive situations. Our journey to create PactForge began with an exploration into the impressive capabilities of large language models, particularly models like Gemini. We were immediately struck by their inherent potential for understanding and generating human language with remarkable fluency and coherence. These initial investigations revealed the exciting possibilities for automating text generation. However, we quickly recognized that for a domain as critical and nuanced as legal documentation, simply relying on the raw generative power of these models would not be sufficient to ensure the necessary levels of accuracy and reliability. This crucial realization led us to focus intently on the retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, architecture. We understood that to produce truly accurate and contextually relevant legal documents, we needed to ground the language model's output in a reliable and well-structured body of knowledge. This meant not only building a comprehensive knowledge base, our carefully curated collection of various legal agreements and clauses, but also developing an efficient and intelligent mechanism to retrieve the most pertinent information in response to any given user request. A significant step in our development process involved converting raw legal text into a format that our AI model could effectively understand and compare. This is where the concept of embeddings comes into play. We utilized powerful language models to transform legal clauses into dense numerical representations. These embeddings essentially capture the semantic meaning of the text, allowing the system to understand the relationships and nuances between different legal concepts. This transformation was crucial for enabling efficient and accurate semantic search within our knowledge base. To efficiently store and retrieve these embeddings, we implemented a vector database using ChromaDB. This specialized database is designed for high-speed similarity searches, allowing us to quickly identify legal clauses that are semantically similar to the user's input queried. We explored and experimented with different indexing strategies and query parameters within ChromaDB to ensure that our retrieval system could not only quickly but also accurately pinpoint the most relevant legal information from our extensive knowledge base. Finally, we discovered that the way we communicate with the large language model, the prompts we design, plays a pivotal role in the quality and accuracy of the generated legal documents. This led us to focus extensively on the art of prompt engineering. We learned that crafting clear, concise, and highly specific instructions, incorporating not only the user's request and the retrieved legal snippets but also structural guidance and explicit instructions on legal principles, was essential for guiding the AI to produce the desired output. When you, the user, interact with PactForge, the process begins with you providing the key information relevant to the specific agreement you need. This might include details about the involved parties, critical dates, or specific property details for a rental agreement. For example, before proceeding with the retrieval process, our system employs an initial analysis phase. This step, exemplified by our perform_analysis function, evaluates the user's input to determine its sufficiency and overall quality, ensuring we have enough clear information to generate a meaningful document. Once the user input is deemed sufficient, the system generates an embedding of your specific query. This query embedding is then used to perform a highly efficient semantic search within our ChromaDB vector store, identifying the legal clauses that are most epistemically similar to your request. This retrieval process ensures that the language model has access to the most relevant and contextually appropriate legal building blocks needed to construct your personalized document, drawing directly from our curated knowledge base. Finally, the retrieved relevant legal clauses, along with the user's initial input and structural guidance derived from sample legal agreements, are fed into a powerful generative AI model, such as Gemini. This model acts as the architect, assembling these pieces into a complete and formatted legal document. The resulting document is carefully tailored to the user's specific needs and the information they provided, leveraging the AI's understanding of legal language and structural conventions to produce a comprehensive and legally sound output. While PactForge offers significant advantages in streamlining legal document creation, it's crucial to acknowledge its inherent limitations. The accuracy and legal soundness of the generated documents are intrinsically linked to the quality and comprehensiveness of our knowledge base. Furthermore, the complex and context-dependent nature of legal language means our model may not always capture every subtle nuance or specific legal interpretation, potentially leading to minor inaccuracies. Additionally, our current project doesn't explicitly account for the varying legal requirements across different jurisdictions. Consequently, it is imperative to emphasize that documents generated by PactForge should always be reviewed by qualified legal professionals before being used in any legally binding context. This human oversight is essential to guarantee accuracy, completeness, and adherence to all relevant legal requirements, especially considering the potential for jurisdictional variations and the inherent complexities of legal language that AI models may not fully grasp. We also plan to significantly expand the system's capabilities to support a wider range of legal document types, from simpler agreements to more complex contractual arrangements. This will broaden PactForge's utility and reach. Furthermore, we are exploring the incorporation of features that facilitate easy review and editing of the generated documents. This could potentially include highlighting areas that might require expert legal attention, streamlining the review process. PactForge represents a significant step forward in leveraging the power of generative AI to make legal document creation more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly for a wide range of individuals and businesses. Thank you for taking the time to learn about PactForge. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.